اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم قال اللہ تبارک و تعالی فی القرآن المجید والفرقان الحمید فاذکروا آلاء اللہ لعلکم تفلحون صدق اللہ مولانا العظیم وبلغنا رسولہ النبی الکریم الامین اللہم نور قلوبنا بالقرآن وزین اخلاقنا بالقرآن وادخلنا الجنة بالقرآن ونجنا من النار بالقرآن قال اللہ تبارک و تعالی فی شان حبیبہ مخبرا وآمرا ان اللہ وملائکتہ یصلون علی النبی یا ایہا الذین آمنوا صلوا علیہ وسلموا تسلیما. No one remain silent and read together. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya sayyidi ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya sayyidi ya Habiballah. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya sayyidi ya Nabiyallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya sayyidi ya khataman nabiyyin. Respectful principal and honorable teachers and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I am here to represent a speech on Independence Day. Dear audience, once Quaid-e-Azam said, there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. So what's Pakistan? Pakistan is a place where we can worship confidently. Pakistan is a place where we can pray confidently. Pakistan is a place where we can establish our identity. So keep your identity and secure your identity. So dear audience, as you know that Pakistan got independent on 14th August 1947, and we Pakistanis celebrate this day, this Independence Day, on 14th year of every year, 14th August of every year. And we celebrate this day, this Independence Day, with a great zeal. Thousands of brave freedom fighters, brave heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom from British rule. Due to these brave freedom fighters, brave heroes like my Pak Army, and who played this character, this role on 14th August 1947. Dear audience, 14th August 1947, Pakistan gained independence after remarkable efforts made by Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh, who was a man of great ability and had the belief that Muslims could only live happily and they would own a country led by their own people, and country they would be according to the ideology of Islam. Independence Day is like a festival, is as like a festival for a Pakistani people, for a Pakistanis. And Pakistani people celebrate this day with much enthusiasm, with a lots of excitement and joy. They unite together under the green and white flag of Pakistan and enjoy their happiness, their excitement with their family, with their friends. And the children of Pakistan, Pakistani children, decorate their houses with the lightings, with the paper flag, as a patriotism is run in their veins. Dear audience, we must perform all our duties as a responsible citizen, as a responsible Pakistani, as a responsible citizen, to make our country strongest, powerful, developed in the world. In the end, I have a message for you. My message to you all is of hope, courage and confidence. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad. Thank you.